how to make Jamaican stew peas with pigtail and chicken? Come let me show you. Hey guys, welcome again to Angie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make stew peas with pigtail. I'm also going to add some chicken to it. So as you know, in Angie's Kitchen we cook with a difference. So you need just about 3 pounds of pigtail. You want to go ahead and you want to wash it, because you know it is made in brine, so normally that calls for a lot of salt. So what I went ahead and did was to wash it and then transfer it to a pot, and I'm putting the pot on the stove, and then I'm going to boil it just to get some of the extra salt off. You want to do this for about 3 times. And then for your peas, you want 2 packs of red kidney beans. You're going to go ahead and you are going to also pressure them together. So while the pigtail is boiled off now, so I'm going to combine it with the red kidney beans. I just cut up maybe just one clove of garlic in there, and I'm going to pressure it. I'm going to set the pressure for about 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, I think it should be nice and tender. So with stew peas, it's normally served with white rice. So I have on the stove some white rice, and I'm adding some coconut milk to it, because you know in Angie's Kitchen we cook with a difference. So adding your coconut milk to it would bring it just a nice flavor to it. So you just want to add like a pinch of salt just for flavor, and some butter, maybe a big tablespoon of butter. And you just want to stir that, and then you are going to leave that, because you know in the kitchen what I am doing, I am multitasking. So while the pigtail and the red kidney beans are being pressured, that's the reason why I'm doing the rice, because in Jamaica we normally serve stew peas over white rice. You can have it by itself as a meal, but you can also serve it as a white rice and stew peas. So you want to go ahead, while doing that, while multitasking, you're going to go ahead and you're going to get a leg quarter. You're just going to cut it up, and you're just going to kind of season it just a little bit. Just add some flavor enhancer, some complete, and you are just going to, just for flavor, you're just going to do that. You're just going to season it nicely, and then what you're going to do is to fry it, because you're going to go ahead and add it once the red kidney beans and the pigtail is being pressured. You are going to go ahead and you are going to combine them. So you just, right now I am seasoning it, and then I have the oil that is ready, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fry the chicken in the meantime. So we turn on the stove, the oil is there and it's all ready to go. So we are going to add the first chicken, and we are going to go ahead and we're going to fry all of that and give it time for the stew peas to be ready. So we're just gonna add everything to it. You can put as much as you want in it, because it doesn't have to be, say, well fried, but you just want both sides to be nicely brown. And because you know you want it also, when you combine it, you want to have that nice flavor. So there you have it. All the chicken is done. The stew peas, I put it in the pot and now it's pressured. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I combine the chicken now. I just want to give it a nice stir. You want to give it that nice big stir because you have the pigtail, you have the chicken, you have the red kidney beans. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's what you want your stew peas to look. Just kind of base as you go. Just kind of base as you go. And you just want to go ahead and you're going to check on your rice. And look at my rice. Look at that. Nice and fluffy. Yes, that's how I like my rice to look. That's how I like my rice to look. It's not too soft and it is just right. You should smell the coconut milk in it. Yes, that's how I like it. I'm already ready to dig in and it's not yet done. Oh my goodness. Look at this stew piece. So now what I did was to go ahead and I got me like a half a pound of flour and I'm mixing the dough. And what I'm going to make what is called spinners, because that's a part of the stew peas. You just kind of put the dough in your hand and you just rub it across your hands. It's called, some people call it long dumpling, but in Jamaica we call it spinners. That is one of the kickers for your stew peas when you put spinners into it. Some persons don't like it, but trust me, back home it's a must. And what it also does, it gives the stew peas more body, and so it comes together. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That's how you want to just see your spinners just jump right in, drop them right in there. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, if you're making this is how you want it to look. This is how you want it to look. No difference. Just gonna go ahead and you're just gonna make your spinners and then just gonna stir them up. And then after that, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add some butter. You want that butter to be nicely melted into it. Oh yes, just spread it out. Yes, look at that. That's how you want your stew peas to look. That's how you want your stew peas to look. Look at that. The butter just gonna go ahead and melt on into it. Oh wow, you should smell the aroma. Oh my goodness. Yes, that's how I like it. Just spread it right on out. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to give it your nice little finishing touch. Your finishing touch consists of some onions, some thyme, a pepper. You know, of course, I'm not going to burst the pepper because you don't want it to be too spicy. You just want the pepper for flavor. It's Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, you just want it for flavor. And you are all set. Look at that. That is nice. That is what I like. And don't forget to keep those comments coming. Like, share, subscribe. I'm enjoying my channel by our conversation. Keep them coming. Any questions, any comments, just leave them there and I'll be happy to reply to you. Oh my goodness. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try it. You know, I like to try my cooking. Yes, look at the rice, nicely done. You can serve it over the rice or you can put it to the side, anything to your likeness, however you like to serve it. Just go ahead, you can pour it all over or you can just put it to the side. Look at that. That's how I want my stew peas to look. Yes, if you have a stew peas like that, yes, you just want to dig right on in. Go ahead. Please continue to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Keep those subscriptions coming. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. So now I'm going to try it. Just want to make sure that I get it right in there. Look at that. Yes. Go.